Alright, what's up YouTube? So this video is pretty much a Q&A on the KX125 build, clearing up the numerous amount of questions that I've had on this thing. So towards the end of the video, I'm going to be playing some MX versus ATV all out, answering some of your guys' questions and going through that because it's too hard to reply in Instagram comments and DMs and YouTube comments, and I just want to make one video, clear pretty much everything up. And then after that, I'll probably have to make another video once the bike's done and whatnot, why I did things. And for that, I can't show the bike because the video tomorrow is actually gonna be sick. Like this thing's very, very cool. So you're not gonna wanna miss tomorrow's video of the conversion kit, all the plastics going on. 10 a.m. Sunday, video's going up. You don't wanna miss the next build series video. But yeah, on the 250 over here, as you saw in a couple videos back, we got an FMF header for it. We're gonna size it up, see if it fits, because I might be going to ride tomorrow at Joe's house, a little turn sand track or something. So that's the deal with that. I'm gonna try to fit this pipe on, and then we'll get this Q&A and answer some of your guys' questions on the 125. If you guys are new, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see the KX125 build tomorrow. See this thing actually look like a bike. This thing is so sick behind me right now, or in front of me right now behind the camera, but I'm gonna jump into it, get this FMF header fitted up and see if this thing fits, and then clean it up and hopefully make it a little more blue or whatnot, because it's the titanium one. And I think if I use the Scotch-Rite pad and do the same thing with the wheel and then hit it with a little bit of heat like I did my mid pipe on here, this thing should get a little bit more blue. And I'm missing the springs on this thing, so I'm gonna have to order the springs if it does end up fitting. But I gotta at least size it up and see if it fits for now. It's a mess right now from last night. I was up until 5 a.m. working on the 125. I just got up, ate some breakfast, came out here, and it's back at, this is giving me like, I don't even know. There's stuff everywhere. I'm not even gonna, until the build's done, I'm just gonna leave it. But over here, I'll mention this a little bit more in tomorrow's video, but Spec Bolt, if you don't know who Spec Bolt is, it's these bolt kits for your bikes that come with pretty much everything to replace your bike screws, bolts, nuts, washers, anything pretty much. So they hooked it up. Huge shout out to Spec Bolt. If you want to check him out, I'll leave his link down below in the description. So pretty much if you're like working on your bike, you go to the track, you ride, having one of these kits is always handy because you never know when you're gonna miss a screw, a bolt, a nut, or you need a washer or something. So highly recommend always having one of these at the shop or with you when you go to ride. And they're super cheap. I mean, you really can't go wrong with having spare stuff. So definitely check him out. But he hooked it up with pretty much everything I need to replace on the 125. Every single nut, washer, bolt. We made a custom little Project 2018 KX125 kit right here. We open this up somewhere on the bench that's kind of cleared. But taking a look at this, obviously they're all nickel plated and whatnot, so pretty much everything I need. Even got the fancy anodized washers right there. And yeah, we're gonna go through. I'm gonna replace every single one. Pretty much every bolt that you see in the motor is gonna get replaced with all these new nickel plated bolts, and it should be looking sharp. So huge shout out to them, and definitely check them out. And boom, like that, thing's all mounted up. It actually fits, so now I gotta take it off, clean it up a little bit. And yeah, I mean, it was a little bit of a tight fit. I just gotta loosen up the whole pipe, normal stuff, and it'll fit in there. But yeah, looks good. Way better than the old one without the heat shield. And yeah, the thing looked roach. So, but now that I got that mounted, I'm gonna clean it and do it elsewhere and not on the video, because I'm sure you're just here to hear the questions and answers on the 125. Like I said, video tomorrow. Check it out. Subscribe if you're new. Give the video a thumbs up, and roll the Q&A. Okay, so the first question I got here is, I'm just gonna jump right into it. Why didn't I powder coat the swing arm? I didn't like the way it looks, and this way I can always shine up that stock swing arm and I don't have to worry about the powder coat fading or chipping, which it's inevitable that the powder coat's gonna chip, but the swing arm kinda, I feel like, will take a little bit more abuse than the frame itself. I don't know, that's just my thinking. So I didn't do it, I just didn't like the way it looked, and maybe second time around when I re-powder coat the frame, I'll get that powder coated to change things up. If anything, I would have wished I powder coated the subframe, because I had to sand down some stuff today, and you kind of see it more than anything. I might still get that powder coated. I'm not really sure yet, because I don't really want to use spray paint on that. leading into my next question, why did I spray paint the clutch cover? It's temporary. I'm hopefully getting a hint and cover here in June, but just I didn't like the way it, I don't know, just looked kind of junky with it blasted and whatnot. It didn't really shine, and it kind of all looked the same. So a little spray paint, whatever. I'll probably have to repaint it because it's gonna wear off, or maybe I'll use some like clear grip tape on it or some really thick clear vinyl. I don't know. I'm not really too concerned about the clutch cover, to be honest. Question is, where do I myself, or a viewer asking, where do you get a conversion kit? Because I've had so many DMs, so many questions about it. Basically, all you gotta do is go on Instagram, hit up CN. I'll put his Instagram on the page, CN_powders_MX. And you can email them, send them a DM about the conversion kit. You can either get it just the conversion kit itself, which is like maybe 6 to 7 pieces, or you can get the conversion kit along with all the hardware to mount it, which is what I would recommend doing. It just makes your life a lot easier. You don't gotta worry about finding the specific hardware and stuff to fit. So that's your best bet if you're looking to do this build. But if you stick around till when I finish the build and you see like kind of the whole, what I did to it, everything, me talking about everything specifically in detail, you'll realize that yeah, this thing is not cheap, which will lead me into a later video where I go over how much this thing actually costs. I don't even know yet, between everything for the garage to actually be able to build it in general, along with all the parts, everything else. Like, I'm gonna have to add everything up, and all the OEM stuff, little nuts, bolts, things, everything just adds up and adds up and adds up. Before you know it, you already got like $1,000 in your cart for just like OEM nuts and bolts and this thing and that, and you didn't even order any actual parts, which is very overwhelming, very crazy. And yeah, from there, I mean, I get a lot of questions where I order my parts from. I usually order off of motorsport.com. I mean, I've pretty much ordered from them for like 4 or 5 years now. They're always super fast. I'm not getting paid if they don't sponsor me or whatnot, but yeah, I just recommend ordering off Motorsport to anybody. I get it to you super, super quick, and it's always fairly priced, I think, compared to some other websites. But yeah, motorsport.com is where I get my stuff. Next would be like what parts are for sale, what I'm selling, what somebody can buy. Basically right now, off the top of my head, I think I have the triple clamps off the 03, the forks, the seat, the air box, the subframe, and then I'm gonna have, the wheels. Those are shot, but I mean, if somebody needed them, they could really clean up that spray paint. Probably sell them super cheap. But let me know if you need them. Just DM me on Instagram at Tyler Monagan, and I'll try. It's super hard going through DMs, or maybe if I'll put it on my website possibly, and then people can just, if they want it, they'll just buy it and not have to go back and forth with me. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got as far as off the bike. Then I also have like a bunch of brand new parts that'll be for sale that I'm not using in the build that I ordered 2 of for some reason. I don't know. The main thing is, somebody asked, why didn't I pay somebody to do the whole bottom-ended motor? Well, one, because it's more engaging to actually do it on video, so that's the point of the whole build, and me to try to do it myself. And it's kind of, I know I'm capable of doing it, it's just if I want to put the effort in to actually do it, and I figured I want to learn how to do all this stuff myself. Why pay somebody if you can learn to do it yourself? And I know, like I said, I'm fully capable, so I got it in. Hopefully it runs, and next thing I want to learn is suspension, because I have no idea how that works, but definitely interested in trying to learn how to do everything myself, so I don't have to, like I said, pay somebody if I can do it myself. Next would be the style plastics I'm going for in graphics. I don't think I'm just trying to go for the OEM look as if you buy it off the showroom floor, like I've said 1,000 times. OEM pretty much everything. Maybe I'll swap out the front number plate with I have a number plate sticker for like when I race and whatnot, but other than that, trying to keep that OEM look, and I might possibly have to change it up, because now the 2019 Cowie 450s are changing up the plastics, which means the 250s will change, and that's a whole nother thing. Maybe another conversion kit somebody will have to build to mount those up, but I don't think they're too dramatic of a change for the plastics to really make a whole nother conversion kit. Not until probably like 2020, 2021 maybe. I don't know. Wrap up this Q&A style video. If you guys enjoyed it and liked the gameplay along with the Q&A style video, definitely let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to do more of these. Maybe like a story time with me playing the new MX vs. ATV game or the Supercross game and whatnot. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below your opinion, because it definitely helps me with the more comments, the more thumbs up. And it's ultimately free content for you guys to watch. And all you have to do is give the video a thumbs up and leave me a hopefully positive comment, and it dramatically helps my channel. For the people that care and want to support me, they'll do that, and the other people will just get mad about it. But off of that, like I always say, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Stay tuned tomorrow 10 a.m. for the all the conversion kit and plastics video on the 125, and I will see you guys in the next one.